Hello everyone, welcome to Specs and Scissors. Today's video is about this mini album which measures 5 3x4 by 5 1x4. The page size is 4 3x4 by 4 3x4 inches and you can have 20 to 25 photos in total in this album, each measuring 3 inches by 4 inches. The album cover is made from chipboard, which is covered by a pattern paper. The pattern paper used for the entire album is the Lost and Found series. I have covered this the inside of the album cover by a black cardstock base. On top you can see these beautiful flowers. These are recollection flowers in rainbow colors, and if I can get a closer look, okay, yeah. This is a fussy cut cycle which I have layered on a black cardstock to make it more sturdy so that it doesn't tear off later. Here this is a chipboard photo frame, and at the center I have stuck a 3D sticker of vintage clock and a butterfly on it, then inked the edges with Tim Holtz vintage ink. This one here is a Momenta designer photo corner, metal photo corner. Here there's a twine and a burlap lace. Now as we open inside, this twine running here, I've stuck the edges and formed a belly band kind of a thing so that we can accommodate a photo mat here. These individual pages, these I have created from the Celebrate It collection. This is a vertical paper bag in black color. You also get a craft brown color for these. And to let you know the use of these paper bag, the inspiration, I got it from my sister Scrapper's video. She had used these vertical paper bags for creation of one of her pages, and I learned it from there, but I haven't used the exact way she has used. I have done some modifications to the page construction here of my own. Now the vertical bag looks somewhat like this, but we need not open it at all. We will use the construction as it is, and I have used this particular flap here to make a pocket by gluing down these edges, so it forms a pocket here, then folded it onto the other side to get a pocket here and another one here. Then onto these indents that you see here, which comes along with the construction of the paper bag, I have attached a black cardstock sheet to form a flap kind of structure. So I'll show you in the page itself. So this is a fussy cut flower from the same Lost and Found series page that I am using, and again I have layered it on a black cardstock to make it a little more sturdy. You can use this to hold a photo here, and there's a sentiment that says love. This is a magnetic closure flap. Now it opens up here. This is where I've hinged it, which I was telling you earlier. So you can use this space also to stick a photo. Now here is that pocket from the flap which I was referring to, and a photo mat. There you can have two photos. The photo mat sentiment says sweet. Turn it over. There's another photo mat here with a magnetic closure to hold this photo mat in place, and as you pull it out you have space for two more photographs. You can have a photo here, and this is the third pocket for two more photos. So individual page can accommodate approximately 9 photographs in total. The page construction is same for all the 3 pages. The first and last page I have used the same paper pattern combination, but in the middle one I have used a different combination. Here you have a fussy cut bird as the photograph holder, and the sentiment is adventure. This again is the photo mat, and here same as the first one. For the third page you have the sentiment that says dream and a butterfly photo holder, and the photo mat here did not have any sentiment on itself, so I've cut this piece from another page and stuck it on here that says "You are so special." On this last back cover base, this is a tri-fold photo mat which will accommodate 5 photographs, and this is again a magnetic closure. You can use this doorknob kind of a thing to hold one of your photographs. So this is it about this mini album. In few days I will upload a video related to the construction of these pages. Please do look out for it, and yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please do subscribe. Thank you.